So my top 5 tips to an IT director to make printing more environmentally responsible would be, in the first instance, think before you print. Don't just print for the sake of it. Think about why you want to print that document, whether you need to print it in colour or black and white, and whether you can print it double-sided. That would be the first thing I would say. The second thing I would say is move from analogue to digital. And by that, I mean look at things like workflow and digitising workflow. Rather than pushing paper around or sending paper around, send emails. Use collaboration tools like SharePoint or Google Collaboration Suite. All of these, one, they improve work practices, but two, they also minimise your impact on the environment. The third one is around paper usage and how much paper you use. By going and printing double-sided, you can reduce your paper consumption by more than 30%. I say 30% because not all documents are an odd number of pages, and also some things that you want to print might be a spreadsheet that you want to put up on a wall or a presentation. The other important thing is something called pull printing. This is where you physically have to walk up to the printer to collect your document or your print. You can either put in a PIN number or swipe your badge. If you think about it, how often do you walk up to the printer at the end of the day and there's a huge stack of uncollected print? Again, this all goes to waste. In most cases, I hope people recycle it, but the whole point here is that it won't print it out unless you're physically there to collect it. The next one is around balanced deployment. When we look at printers, do you have lots of printers, different manufacturers, different sizes on everybody's desk? Look at trying to consolidate all those into a fewer number of printers. This reduces the number of prints, reduces the amount of energy that you use, and also reduces the amount of raw materials required to make all of these printers. The final one is around using tools, things like WebJet Admin, which allow you to set policies on printers. If there's nobody in the office over the weekend, set the printer so that it goes to auto off or into a deep sleep mode so that it's not using energy. If you don't use the fax facility, switch it off. Another one is very much around HP Smart Print. This is a tool that you can download from the web, and basically it allows you to crop and crimp documents and web pages. How many times have you tried to print something from the web and you end up with 3 pages just with the footnotes at the bottom or with an URL at the bottom? This tool allows you to select what you want to print and just print that.